Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Amazing Animals Inc. We are on the way to Tennessee for a little family vacation.
Yes, I'm excited. We don't get many vacations together.
No.
And what do we do on our vacations?
We always go to animal places, we visit animal things, we do animal things, we do outdoorsy things. So we are on our way to the mountains in Tennessee. We have a cabin. We're gonna be with my family. My sisters are gonna be there. My little nephew's gonna be there. My parents are gonna be there. We're gonna go hiking. We're gonna go look for bears, black bears, hiking, waterfalls. That's phase 1. Phase 2, whitewater rafting.
We're doing this
Phases. Phase 3 is we're gonna go to the Knoxville Zoo or Zoo Knoxville.
Yes.
Phase 4 is either up in the air. I may go fishing. You may go horseback riding. I don't know what we're gonna do, and then we're gonna come home. So we're gonna be there for almost 5 days. So check it out. This is all about Tennessee, having fun, getting away, and we have really good people watching our animals, so don't worry. They're all being very well taken care for. So yeah.
Yeah, it's great having Siobhan as our part-time keeper. She's amazing. So it's really nice to be able to actually get away and know the animals are in really good hands.
Yeah, so here we go, Tennessee, here we come. All right, so we just made it. That is like a 12.5-hour long drive. My stomach's a little sick from Kylie's driving up this mountain, but cabin is here. Can't wait to get started on a fun vacation. Hey guys, what's up? We are in the Great Smoky Mountains. We are super excited, and right now we are on a trailhead. We just got out of the car. We've been driving. We're in Cades Cove, and we are heading to Abrams Falls. It is a 25-foot waterfall, and it's one of the most beautiful hikes here. It's 5 miles round trip, so 2.5 miles to go. Abrams Falls. We're gonna follow this creek bed around the whole way. This little creek here next to us, Abrams River or Creek, Abrams something, is gonna be with us. Hopefully we see a bear. That would be the main goal.
I'm looking for.
We're really looking for bears. I feel like if we want it really bad, we're not gonna see one, but here we go. Hiking should take us about 3 hours. We'll check in a little bit. How you doing, babe?
Great.
All right.
Good.
So we're about maybe between 1/2 mile and 3/4 mile in. Feeling really good. Temperature-wise, it is gorgeous. Like Florida is so humid and so much heat. We just came down a really nice big, I call it a mountain.
Yeah, that's gonna be fun going back up it though on the way back.
Yeah, this is the 4 mile mark we're at about now. That the guy at the trailhead warned us at 4 miles you go up a hill and you want to die. So
yeah, still looking for bears, but beautiful. The creek's right next to us.
Yeah, the river is just flowing right now. Abrams Creek, I think Abrams Creek.
Yeah.
So
I'm
it's gorgeous. Here we go. Check out this awesome bridge we just came to. It looks so cool. I'm so excited to cross this. This is so awesome.
Don't fall in.
No. All right, so we're doing good. We're on another one of these awesome foot bridges. I feel it in my calves a little bit.
You're a little sweaty.
I'm a little sweaty, yeah, and it's cool. It's not hot out,
yeah, it's
so that's nice. But we've definitely gone up and down and up and down. It's very rocky.
Yeah.
It's very uneven.
It's beautiful.
It's
though.
gorgeous.
Yeah.
Have not seen any wildlife. But the water, like you hear the water the whole way. Super pretty scenery.
Yeah.
And I think we're less than like a quarter of a mile away, so.
We're getting close.
Yeah, here we go. All right, guys, so we made it to the falls. It is amazing. It's beautiful. Abrams Falls. It's about 25 feet down, 2.5 mile hike to here. It was a lot of fun. It was not the easiest hike in the world, but I don't think it was the hardest by any means.
Oh, it's totally worth it though. It's just beautiful. The weather's beautiful. Just the greenery, the waterfalls. Totally worth it. We're gonna enjoy our time just enjoying the waterfall.
Yeah, hopefully you can hear us because the waterfall's pretty loud. We'll see you on the other side. Oh my God, we did it.
That was a workout.
That was a lot. I mean, for Florida kids who don't go up and down, I mean, that was
mountains.
Yeah,
that was mountains.
Those were mountains to us. And
great workout.
yeah, 2.5 hours, 5 miles. We made it. Here's Abrams Falls, 2.5 miles that way, 5 miles round trip. I'm super proud of us. High five.
Yes, and you know what? Anyone, if you're by your state park, your national parks, go out in nature.
Get out there and do something.
Go hike, go explore, go enjoy the outdoors. And also remember, you know, we met a park ranger before we came in, and he said, you know, if you see wildlife, which we didn't see any bears, but he said, you know, this is their home and it's our job to keep a distance from them.
Yep.
So true. Don't trash places.
We picked up some trash.
Yeah.
Bring water if you go on this hike. Our water's in the car. That was
that.
Yeah, we're really thirsty right now. So
but yeah, make sure we're taking good care of nature when you're out in it, enjoying it. Like, we didn't touch anything, so yeah, we just explored. Awesome.
Thank you guys. Tomorrow we're gonna have a lot of fun. We are going whitewater rafting.
I'm excited.
All right, so we're on our second morning here in Tennessee, and we are at Goats on the Roof. It's a really fun little family owned and operated establishment. I think there's several locations. This one has a big roller coaster. I'm gonna try to ride the roller coaster hopefully. And there's literally goats on the roof and you can feed them. There's goats on the floor too. And there's a big gift shop and a lot of fun things to buy. And you can do this pedal bike and you ride the bike and it brings food right up to the goat and he's waiting on the roof.
I think when we do our new barn, we should make it so the goats can get on the roof of it.
I don't think that's a good idea. No. So let's not do that. It is very fun, but
so cute.
Not for Amazing Animals Barn.
Okay, fine.
We're gonna show you a little bit around Goats on the Roof, and then we're gonna go whitewater rafting.
Yes.
Here we go. So we just got our tickets for the Alpine coaster. We're gonna go separately, so one at a time. And unfortunately, we cannot bring the GoPro with us, they said, but I'm gonna give my parents the GoPro. I don't know if we're gonna get any video.
Probably not.
Because they're not so good at taking pictures on an iPhone, but we'll see what happens. Hopefully you can see us on this Alpine coaster. I think it's gonna be pretty fun. So that was pretty fun. That was a lot faster than I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah, that was really fun, actually. I was not expecting that, and I think we should go again.
We kept going higher and higher, and I'm like, oh, it's just, I didn't think it was that far, but we kept going up and up and up, and then when you hold the gas pedal all the way down,
yeah, you
like,
go far.
You flew.
Go fast.
You flew.
Yeah.
So
it was fun.
That was awesome. Recommend it. It's on. It's on. Can you say babe? Babe? Yeah, that was on the That was like, no biggie. That was good.